Hello kids, a very good morning to you all and welcome to this new learning session. I hope you all are good and completing your work on time.
Kids, you have already learnt about subtraction. Subtraction means to take away any number or object from a group. So, let us practice subtraction through these word problems. There are 22 coconut trees on a beach. 3 trees are short and remaining are tall. Find out the number of trees which are tall. So kids, total number of coconut trees equals to 22 and the number of short coconut trees equals to 3. Now to find out the number of tall coconut trees, we will have to subtract 3 from 22. So let us see the solution of this word problem. First of all, we will arrange both the numbers in ones and tens columns. Here at ones place we cannot subtract 3 from 2 because 2 is smaller than 3. So we will borrow 1 tens from tens columns. So now 2 tens will become 1 and 1 tens that is borrowed will be regrouped as 10 ones. So now in ones column there will be 12 ones. And we will subtract 3 from 12 now. So 1, 2, 3. So how many ones are left now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at ones place we will write 9. Now let's come to tens place. Here we will write 1 because we have only 1 tens left. So kids, our answer will be 19. Means the number of tall coconut trees equals to 19. Now before moving on to next word problem, have a look at these words. Short and tall. These are describing words because these two words are describing the noun word coconut trees. So any word that describes nouns or modifies it is an adjective. So the words short and tall are adjectives. Now it's time to move on to our next word problem. So, there are small and bushy plants in a garden. These plants have light and dark green colored leaves. Out of 55 leaves, 36 leaves are dark green in color. Find out the leaves that have light green color. So kids, as you all know, the total number of leaves equals to 55 and number of dark green colored leaves equals to 36. Now to find out the number of light green colored leaves, we will have to subtract 36 from 55. So now let's see the solution of this word problem. So first of all, we will arrange both the numbers in place value chart, and here also we can observe that 5 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So now we will borrow 1 tens from tens column, and here 5 tens will become 4 and 1 tens that is borrowed will be grouped as 10 ones. So here at ones place we will have 15 ones. So now we will subtract 6 from 15. So at ones place we will write 9 because only 9 ones are left, and at tens place we will subtract 3 from 4. So we will have only 1 tens left. So our answer will be 19. So kids, number of light green colored leaves will be equal to 19. Now, before moving on to our next word problem, let us find out adjective words used here. So, dark, light and green are adjective words which are used here. So now let's move on to our next word problem. There are 23 orange trees in an orchard. Out of 23 trees, 5 trees are small and do not bear oranges. Find out the remaining big trees that bear oranges. So kids, total number of orange trees equals to 23 and trees that don't bear fruits equals to 5. Now to find out the number of trees that bear orange fruits, we will have to subtract 5 from 23. Now let's see the solution of this word problem. First of all, we will arrange both the numbers in place value chart in tens and ones column. 23 means 2 tens and 3 ones. That's why we have placed 2 in tens column and 3 in ones column. Now we know that 5 is a one digit number, so we will place 5 in ones column. So the tens column of number 5 will be vacant. Kids, you already know that we start subtracting from ones column and after ones column we subtract in tens column. Kids, you already know that we cannot subtract 5 from 3 because 3 is smaller than 5. So we will borrow 1 tens from tens column and the tens that have been borrowed will be regrouped as 10 ones. So now at tens column we have only 1 tens left. And at ones place we have 13 ones now. So we will cross out 3 and write 13 in place of 3. Now we have to subtract 5 from 13. So how many ones are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So after subtracting 5 from 13, we have only 8 ones left. Now look at the tens column. Here at tens place we have no other number that can be subtracted from 1. So we will write same number at tens place. So 1 tens and 8 ones. So our answer will be 18. So kids, total number of big trees that bear orange fruits will be equal to 18. So now let's find out the describing words used here. Small and big. Very good. Kids, now I just hope that you have understood today's topic. Now it's time to move on towards homework. Underline the adjectives in the following word problems and then solve the following. You have to do this work in your maths notebook. Okay? So that's all for today. I'll see you all in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye and take care.